guys, welcome back to another video. It's good to see you guys once more. It's good to see you guys. Now, if you guys are wondering why I shoot most of my videos here at night, that is because I work a 9 to 5, and well, right after work I don't go to sleep. I flip out the camera and I film for you guys. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys can drop a like on this video and a comment. But I'm not gonna waste your time in today's video. I'm not gonna waste your time. We're gonna get straight to the point. Today I will be reviewing the Kinetix manifold here that I have been writing on for about 2 weeks now. Now, you guys are probably here wondering, man, hopefully I can gain some information on whether I should buy this or not, and that is the goal of this video. Today I've been writing on this manifold for about 2 weeks, and I have a couple things to say about this manifold. And if you're also here because of the giveaway that I did last video, I'm going to be mentioning the winners, 4 winners, at the end of this video. So stay tuned for that and see if you possibly won a pair of LED lights. Not these, but these, for the rear reverse light and the rear license plate. So here we go, review. 3, 2, 1. In Sacramento, guys, 92 degrees now. You gotta start getting all them coolers, oil cooler, trans cooler, anything cooler, because if you're gonna be driving it like this, it's just gonna break if you don't be cooling your fluids. Alright guys, so welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna be reviewing the Kinetix manifold. It looks like this in the picture. Now, the full retail price on this, I'm gonna put the picture once again, but I believe it's around $780 around there. I'm gonna tell you right off the bat, I didn't pay retail price for this. I actually got it in a bundle. As you guys know, I went over to the Static Garage team and picked up the supercharger, and one of the extra goodies that came with that was this Kinetix manifold. One of the reasons I chose to get this Kinetix manifold is because I hear is very good for boosted applications, because you guys saw I bought a supercharger. I intend on installing it sometime in June, and so that's specifically why I chose to include that manifold in the little bundle that he offered me. One of the bad things associated with this manifold as well, we got to talk about the bad as well, is that some people say that these tend to crack with boosted applications, or even NA sometimes. They tend to crack on the seams where they weld. But last time I researched the Kinetix manifold, I think they brought out like a V2 version, or like an updated version that addresses all the previous issues from the last edition manifold. So I'm not sure if that fixes the cracks or not, but you know, it is, they do have a brand new revised upgraded version. Now, before I tell you guys if it's worth it or not, let's talk about how it feels. So as soon as I installed it and went for the drive, even the first drive, you almost instantaneously notice it, and that is the torque loss. Okay, as soon as you drive it, you notice the torque loss pretty immediately. Like, before it was kind of, you know, the G35s, they're torquey. As soon as you step in the car, they kind of jerk you really good. Don't take that out of context. But when I install the manifold, it's almost like it's on eco mode a little bit. There's that lag, like the torque, you can feel it. It's not as torquey, which is one of the good things fun about this car, you know, that it's torquey. In a 0 to 10 foot race, man, we got you, bro, because these cars are torquey. With that being said, with the loss of torque, you do get that power transferred to that top end. Now, you're not in the high end most of the time that you're driving. You're not. Most of the times you're using that low end torque. So this is why I really love torque, because you use it more often than the high end. It's one of the things, yeah, to consider when buying this. Now, well, some of you guys may be asking if I need to tune the car to install that manifold. If you don't need a tune to install this manifold, you can run it without a tune, fine. But again, like every mod, it's always best that you tune the car, not only to realize the true potential of the mod, but also to, you know, have your car running right with every mod that you add to it, you know. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna make the video long. That's pretty much the only thing that you notice as far as performance. I don't know if that still stands when you tune the car, because I have not driven a G35 or noticed the difference between installing this manifold untuned and tuned. So I cannot tell you if once you tune it, you gain back that torque. So I cannot tell you that. So a little Also, some other things that I really liked about this that are not performance related, that it allows you, let me get home and I'll show you guys what I mean in my bigger camera. Alright guys, so we teleported back to my garage with the car. Now you guys can see here that this manifold is absolutely beautiful. It's polished, chrome looking. It's a really beautiful manifold. Look at it from the top. It looks absolutely gorgeous. But one of the good things about this that you can notice instantly is that it's only this piece of the engine. And look at all this space you got that would usually be covered by the plenum. But look, fuel rail right here. You got your injectors. Right here you can access your coil packs, your spark plugs. Look, your coil packs, your spark plugs right here. You got a lot of space, man. But that's about it. All right, back to the road. If you're planning to stay NA, for $780, it probably isn't worth it. But much rather 100% get a plenum spacer from Z1 Motorsports or even Motordyne. You can use Motordyne for 260 bucks or get a Z1 for 180 bucks. Is paying that extra $600, almost $600 worth it? Probably not. Now, if you're planning to go boost like me, you're gonna have to wait on those results. I'll let you know if it's worth it. But I can tell you right now, it's a little bit more worth it if you're going to be doing a boosted application. For reason is that the manifold holds a lot more, holds a lot more air capacity than the regular plenum. You have less pressure in there, if that makes sense. Woo! That boosted ST. G35. Damn, that guy's crazy. He's getting triggered. He's getting triggered. Watch out, he's getting triggered. We're in this video low-key, bro. And that's me pressing the gas like half throttle, bro. This is just a Lambo, bro. Low-key. Watch this. And I got sway bars, bro. I'm not even scared of turns. Watch me spin out. This is like a 10-mile-per-hour turn. I'm taking it at 50, bro. Downshoot. Alright guys, we're gonna begin with today's giveaway if you guys didn't see it on last video. Now if you win, go ahead and DM me here on BeDistinct. Here's my IG handle. Go ahead and DM me. If you don't have an IG or prefer this other method, in the description below I will add my email. Go ahead and email me at that as well. Once you email me, I will respond with some verification things just to make sure it's really you, and then go ahead and give you the secret code to your freaking prize, man. Good job. So without further ado, so that there's no confusion, the first winner that I'm gonna pick here is gonna be for the LED reverse lights. Okay, LED reverse lights. Here we go. Let's pick a winner. I'm gonna go ahead and press start. I'm not gonna edit this so you guys don't think it's a scam. Boom! Ivan Arias comments, I got 5% tint plus louvers. No, I got 5% tint plus louvers. No veo ni madres. Those bulbs would be nice. Bro, these bulbs are gonna be wonders for you. Good thing I said reverse lights, man. This thing's gonna be wonders for you, okay? So Ivan Arias, congratulations. Go ahead and DM me or send me an email. The second winner, we're gonna switch it up, is gonna be for the LED license lights. Here we go, Ivan Arias, a previous winner. Let's go ahead and pick another winner. See who it is. Boom, VIXX Gaming, congratulations. I've been done for a while. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations, you won yourself some LED license plate lighting for your Nissan or Infiniti. Go ahead and DM me on Instagram or send me an email. Third winner, LED reverse lights. There's a previous winner. Pick another winner. Boom, Tricky Mike. Been watching your videos since last year. Great content, man. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate it, man. Thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel, man. You guys are the best, man. And for the last winner, the LED, the last pair of LED license lights. Here's the previous winner. Let's go ahead and pick another comment. Winner, sorry. Here we go. It is Junior Hernandez. Nice comment. Done. So there you have it, 4 winners. Go ahead and DM me or send me an email on Instagram. Send me a DM on Instagram or send me an email. But without further ado, this weekend, this Saturday, I'm gonna go ahead and install the oil cooler, man. Freaking Sacramento right now, we had our first 90-degree day. It is insanely hot, bro. We need to install the oil cooler, man. Take care of this baby. Make sure it's running nice and cool, man. That's gonna save our engine in the long run. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys this weekend with the oil cooler install. I'm still waiting on a lot of parts. A lot of parts are carbon, so you guys already know when you order carbon, man, you gotta wait like half a year. God damn, bro. But anyways, once we get them, we'll go ahead and install them. And then the supercharger install is coming in June when I can schedule my appointment. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys next video. Stay safe out there. Be distinct. Love y'all. Peace.